Y'all, I made one of the best pot roasts I ever had in my life, okay? While you watching me cook it, listen to a story about my grandma because she was the best cook in the world to me, and I really feel like this dish will make her proud. Anyways, one time I was 16 years old. I ended up in a juvenile detention center and like a child protective custody situation. Long story, but anyway, she flew to Washington to come get me, right? Couldn't afford the tickets back, so she got us Greyhound tickets. Now, from Washington to Chicago, that's a 36-hour ride. On one of the pit stops, she decides, let's veer off from the group and go to the grocery store. I'm thinking, I don't know what groceries about to last 36 hours, but okay, Grandma. So we go in the grocery store. She walking down every aisle. We didn't miss the Greyhound bus. They done went to the next stop. She sees an 18-wheel and say, Kia, we about to hitchhike. I said, we about to what? I'm not getting in there. He could do anything to us. I'll never forget. She said, child, if he could get both of us, he deserve us. I will never forget sitting in the back of that 18-wheeler, looking at the back of this man's head with my fist balled up, just waiting to knock his head loose if I had to. And she was looking too, like, you better not try nothing. Hold on, y'all. Listen to my friend talk about this pot roast.
That's dead wrong for that to look like that. There's like a fat woman that's living inside you. Your grandma living inside you. Nothing, she's fat.
Anyway, the man ended up getting us to our next Greyhound stop, y'all. Thank God. My grandma was so funny and crazy. I miss and love her so much. Thanks for listening. I'm going to put the recipe in the caption, and if you try, let me know. Okay, bye.